Hi, hello, welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you integration by parts versus substitution method. Many of you are having a question, teacher, can I go do this question by substitution method? Can I do this one by integration by parts? In all the places, you can use both the methods. So let me teach you one question using both the methods, integration by parts and substitution method. So the first one, the problem is integral x e power x dx. So what is integration by parts formula? The by parts formula is integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du, right? It means the integration looks like u dv model, right? So what is your u? U is your x and dv is your e power x. You are differentiating this one with respect to x. Du by dx is equal to 1. And integral, if you want to get v, you need to integrate, right? Yes. So integral of dv is v and integral of e power x is e power x divided by 1 plus c. Of course, we are not writing c, right? Yes. So what we are going to do now? Now the formula is uv minus integral v du. What is your u? U is x and your v is e power x minus integral v. What's your v? V is e power x and what's your du? From this you cross multiply this one. Du is equal to what? Which is equal to dx. So it is dx. Now which is equal to x e power x minus integral of e power x is what? E power x. So the answer is x e power x minus e power x plus integrating constant c. This is using integration by parts. Let's do the same problem using substitution method. So the which one is giving disturbance for you? E power x. So put e power x is equal to t, right? So next the step is what? You are going to take the differentiation dt divided by dx. If you differentiate e power x, you will get e power x. Now cross multiply. E power x dx is equal to dt. Just keep it with you. Now what we are going to do? We are going to convert everything in terms of t. It means all these things you must convert in terms of t. That is very important point. Okay, right. So now go back to the integral. So what is the step now? Integral e power x dx, which is takes a model dt. And what is your x? That's a question mark. X is locked inside e power. Whenever x is locked inside e power, we will take ln both sides. Ln e power x is equal to ln t, right? Using logarithmic rule, this will become x ln e is equal to ln t. So what is the value of ln e? 1. So x equals ln t. So this extra step you have to do it. Because of that I followed integration by parts. Okay, right. So x equals ln t. Now what happened to this one? It changes to the model x is ln t dt. Right. And what is the integration formula I gave you for integral ln x? Integral ln x dx is equal to, what is the formula? Do you remember? Integral ln x. X ln x minus x, which we used in the previous modules. X ln x minus x. Now we have integral ln t dt. So what is the formula for integral ln t dt? Use this idea, same. T ln t minus t. Okay, right. Now what's your t? Your t is what? E power x. So you go back to all e power x. This is your e power x. Ln e power x minus e power x. So this is e power x and then this is using power rule. This comes in the front. So you'll write x and then ln e minus e power x. So what's the value of ln e? It's equal to 1. So it is x e power x minus e power x. So this is your final answer when you're doing by integration substitution method. Look, of course plus c is there, right? Okay. So let me write plus c because it's a separate question. So we should write plus c. So now look at your answers here. X e power x minus e power x plus c. Both the answers are same. So now the question comes. Teacher, why in particular questions you are using integration by parts? In some questions substitution method. Most of the places I use substitution method. In some places I use integration by parts. Why? You will find difficult in finding x value using logarithms. That is why I using this integration by parts method. So you are allowed to use any method. Either you can use integration by parts or you can use substitution method. Okay, right. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Take care. Now I hope it's very clear. If you really understand this video, please like the video and comment it. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.